What happened? What? What do you think? Are you gonna go catch him?
Probably.
All right, well, go catch him.
Oh, you go open up the box.
You think the leprechaun's in there?
Probably.
Well, if you want to get the wishes, you got to open it.
Well, he's probably not, because he...
Do you hear anything?
He's in here.
Yeah, do you see him?
Yeah.
Well, open it up.
He already left us something.
What? What did he leave?
I don't know.
Is it gold? Jelly beans? Wow!
Instead of...
He must have gotten away, huh?
Yeah. It's fine if you don't even see it. That can happen.
Yeah.
I thought he wasn't in the trap.
Wow.
He ate the Lucky Charms anyways.
Yeah? We almost caught